we are going to continue our lesson 2, attention and detail. Okay everyone, so as you can see in this video is different from the previous video. Okay, so because of the points for today is yes, using slides better than writing on the board, everyone. So now let's see the content that we are going to learn for today. So the contents that we are going to learn for today is about language focus and building an overall summary 2, an overall summary 1, sorry. Okay, everyone, so language focus we have learned already in the previous lesson, but teacher would like to review you again to make sure that you can catch up the lesson, catch up the points as well. Okay, everyone, for part B, building an overall summary 1. With this, you require to listen to the track of the presentation, then read the presentation. After that, you require to discuss, okay, to discuss the presentation. You have what linking words that the speaker use to link from the first sentence to another sentence to make the ideas different or to make these two things different. Okay, so let's see. Okay, everyone, so let's see. Language focus, expressing differences. Okay, so with this point, teacher would like to review all of you because we have learned already, right? Let's see, to express differences between two things, we can use it. As you can see here, these are we call linking words. So first, second, and third. First, second, and third, these are linking words of order. Okay, order. I mean, we use this word to say the order or to put the ideas in order. Okay, one. And in contrast, however, and but is the linking word used to contrast the first idea, to contrast the second idea from the first idea. Okay, mean to say two ideas is different, right? Two things, mean to say two things is different by using the word in contrast, however, and but. Do you understand with this? Let's see the example below. Example, the differences between ice skating and skiing are first. So first idea, ice skating is done on ice. In contrast, skiing is done on snow. Okay, so in contrast over here we call linking word that to show that the difference, to show that the second sentence is the second idea is different from the first idea. Okay, now you got this one. Look at the second. Skiing needs cup goals. However, ice skating doesn't need cup goal. Okay, so we use however to make contrast. Okay, that one, to say that the second thing is different from the first thing, the first sport. All right. Okay, so move to third. Skiing vacations are quite expensive, but it is easy to find somewhere to go ice skating. Okay, everyone, so look at the word but. The word but we call linking word. Okay, to say the first, to say that to say that skiing and ice skating is different from each other. Okay, one. So you got this. All right. So with this points, just review all of you, and also if you still have any question, right, you can leave your question below this below the video. Okay, so let's move to the next point. One. All right, everyone. So this is the presentation, and to start with, teacher would like you to spend some time to listen and read this presentation, right? Read this presentation first. During the listening and reading, teacher would like you to focus on the linking words that the speaker used to link to say the first sport is different from the second sport. Okay, so now let's spend 5 minutes to listen and read this presentation.
Building an Oral Summary 1. Bo Jackson.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Bo Jackson. I am a retired athlete. I am here to talk about the differences and similarities between American football and baseball. In some ways, they are very similar. In other ways, they are very different. I used to play both. I started playing pro baseball in 1987. I also started playing pro football that year. I like both sports for different reasons. First, baseball is a very slow game. In contrast, football is a very fast game. There is always a lot of action. Second, football is very dangerous. Players are always hitting each other. However, baseball is very safe. Football and baseball have a lot of similarities too. Football and baseball are both famous American sports. Lots of people like to watch and play them. Also, baseball and football are both team sports. To win, everyone has to work together. Finally, both football and baseball are very fun. In conclusion, baseball and football are both great American sports. I enjoyed baseball because it was slow and safe. In contrast, I love football because it was dangerous and full of action. Both were fun because I played with great teams. I feel very lucky because I played both sports.
Okay, everyone, so after listened and read this, when read this presentation, we come up with 3 points, okay? For this presentation, have 3 points. The first point is about introduction, and second is about body, and in conclusion. Okay, you will know exactly how do the speaker use or say in the introduction, how do they introduce about the topic, right, about themselves, and how do they say about something in the body paragraph and in conclusion also. Okay, so let's see one. Alright, so first, introduction. For the introduction, the speaker used to create things, right, used to create by saying good afternoon, okay, saying good afternoon, and the speaker also introduce himself, okay, introduce himself that they say my name, he said my name is Bo Jackson, okay, one. Then the speaker used to state the topic, the speaker used to talk about the topic to let the reader or the listener know what they're gonna talk about. Also, the speaker used hook to join from the introduction to the body of the paragraph also, of the essay, the body of the essays also. So they use hook. So as you can see in the text, in the presentation, from football and basketball until very fun, right? So no, sorry, from start, I started playing until different reasons. So the sentences are the hook, okay, that the speaker used to join from the introduction to the body of the paragraph of the essay. Okay, one. So let's see what happened in the body and how do the speaker use the linking words to link and to say that the first sport is different from other sport. Let's see. Okay, so for second is about body, and in body the speaker used to talk about the differences between these two sports and also the similarities of these two sports, right? Football and basketball also. Let's see what sentence are in what paragraphs is talk about differences between these two sports, or which paragraph is about similarities. Okay, everyone. So let's see from first. First, football is very slow game, so until very safe. Okay, until very safe. So this paragraph is about the differences, right? The speaker used to talk about the differences, and from football until very fun. So this paragraph, the speaker used to talk about the similarities of these two sports. Now you got this one. Alright, so teacher will show on the screen about this point also, so you will easy to understand. Okay, so let's see. The speaker used the linking word first to put the idea in order, and the speaker also used in contrast to say the differences between these two sports also. Okay, and second, the speaker also used the word second to say that this is the second idea, and the speaker used the word however, the linking word however, to make these two sports different. Okay, to say these two sports is different from each other also. Okay, next, the similarities. With this paragraph, the speaker used to talk about the similar of these two sports. Okay, as you can see in the paragraph, in the presentation, football and basketball has a lot of similarities too. Football and basketball are both famous American sports. Lots of people like to watch and play them. Also, basketball and football are both team sports. To win, everyone has to work together. Finally, both football and basketball are very fun. So this paragraph, the speaker used to write about the similarities of these two sports. Alright, everyone, do you understand? Okay, everyone, so let's see the last point of our video for today. So part 3, in conclusion. So in conclusion, which paragraph is in conclusion, everyone? So you can see in conclusion from the phrase, the linking word in conclusion until sports. Okay, so the speaker used the word in conclusion to finish this paragraph, to finish this essay, and as you can see, the speaker used to summarize the idea that he had mentioned above also, and in the end of this essay, the speaker used to show about his opinions also about these two sports. Okay, so you got with this? Alright, so let's just sum up what we have learned about this presentation. For the first, you know that in this is we call short essay, and we have introduction, body, and in conclusion. So if you have any questions, so you can leave your question below the video. And okay, thank you so much, everyone. See you tomorrow.